What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In this video today, I will be sharing with you step by step how you can use Xoom to reload your mobile phone in an international country. So you want to log into your Xoom account, you can use PayPal, or if you don't have a PayPal account, you can just sign up, right? So I am already logged in to my account. So here I'm just going to select reload. From the drop down list, select your country. So I'm a Jamaican, so I'm going to select Jamaica. So here I'm just going to select reload phones, specify the number that you want to reload, and then once you specify the number that you want to reload, you select continue. Then here you select the amount that you want to reload on your mobile phone. So $5 gonna be 700 Canadian, $10 gonna be 1400 Canadian. So select the amount that you want to reload on your phone, then select continue. Here you can add contact info, right? So it's just going to ask for first name and last name and mobile phone. So I'm going to step back and select my existing contact info. You can choose from your PayPal balance, or you can add a new payment method. So with a new payment method, you can use a debit or credit card to pay or bank account. So I'm going to step back since my PayPal account is already linked. And you can see that the fee is 0 Canadian dollars. So select next. And here you'll just review and send the money. So I don't really want to perform a reload at this point in time. So I'm going to cancel this transaction. The money will be reloaded to my account in 8 minutes. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.